Today we're taking a look at Ethereum's ETH coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see ETH go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Ethereum chart, guys. If you'd like to buy Ethereum's ETH coin or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And as you can see, Ethereum, like many other cryptos at this point in time, has continued its downwards trend. Interestingly enough, for Ethereum, it has dropped out of the upwards trending channel. Now, we were hoping this would not occur. And basically, when this sort of thing does occur, it means we are not in for a good time. But interestingly enough, we have somehow managed to bounce back up and we have re-entered that channel. We're currently sitting at a value of $2,840. And on our lowest day, which was 2 days ago, we got down to 2,716. And then yesterday we were at 2,718. So really, that bounce is actually quite surprising to me. What will be the test now is if we can actually maintain this bounce, because realistically what we have here is two moving averages, which are going to be major preventative factors for us to do so. We have had the cross of the 20-day moving average below the 50-day moving average. This is a death cross. This is a downwards trending signal. Secondly, the amount of resistance that these two lines are going to provide will make it hard for us to basically get back into the channel and stay within it, because that 20-day moving average is coming very, very close, currently trading at a value right now of 2,956. It's coming really close to the bottom end of that channel, and we're only talking a few $100 between the prices. So it's going to be quite interesting to see exactly what happens there. Now I'm going to extend out our 3,083 mark all the way across to the other end. That is the key point of resistance, pending we actually manage to, get through those moving averages. I'm also going to extend out our support, which we did fell through for, I suppose, a brief period of time, and we managed to bounce from it now though. So that's still really firmly in place. I'd consider that a bounce actually off the support point. And in fact, as I zoom out, I'm just having a look and I'm thinking possibly we can actually move this down. I think we've actually bounced off the support itself, and I'm going to put it there. So our support's actually lower than we first realized, 2,730. And you can see that lines up roughly pretty well, and you see especially on the 26th of Jan, that's exactly the touch point. So this is realistically our horizontal point of support. Now, looking at the volume has been decreasing, but even on these bounces, interestingly enough, there's not much volume, but the candles are about the same size. So what does that mean? I think it means things are uncertain at the moment. People don't know what's happening with not only Ethereum, but crypto overall. Let's take a look at a few more indicators. First and foremost, the RSI. The RSI is showing us that we are still trending in a downwards direction. It's currently sitting at a value of 43.23, basically sitting on the yellow line. If we are to change direction, we need to get above that yellow line and start moving upwards. It's looking like it's starting to flatten out, so we may see that coming in the future. There is certainly plenty of room for us to keep moving upwards and get solidly back into this channel. Now, let's have a look at the MACD. The MACD is showing that we could be in for a potential cross. Whilst, yes, it looks like this is hollowing out a bit, we are moving basically parallel to each other from a 12-day to 26-day moving average perspective. What we need is a spike of volume and a solid cross of that 12-day EMA above the 26-day EMA to really act as a buy signal for traders and investors. Now, pending this does occur, where does it put us? Well, it certainly keeps us within the trading channel. Can we get up all the way to this, $3,085 mark? I don't think we will get there quickly. I think we're going to really start having to trend in this sort of a manner to get there. But fundamentally, we need to basically be able to maintain, I suppose, this upwards trending channel. We also have something else to contend with, and that is a downwards channel. And as you can see, as I start to draw that in place, that downwards channel is right there, and that's exactly what we bounced off today. Our top end hit that point and we came straight back down. So breaching that would be the major signal for us to basically change our direction. So we're really looking for that over the next few days, or literally within the next 24 hours if we are going to maintain the upwards channel. Now, what's my price prediction? Well, if we are unable to break this within the next 12 to 24 hours, then we're going to go down all the way to our horizontal support point again at 2,724. If we do break it, I think the test is really going to be here at our 20-day moving average, currently sitting at a value right here of $2,956. So keep an eye on this line because it is going to be integral for the price direction moving into the future. That wraps up today's Ethereum analysis, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. And of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.